I cannot stop my soldiers now. No. Ay, kasi noon, no, peace talks, no. Let make it public now. Tapusin natin yung tunggera na to. Inumpisahan ninyo. Marami na akong patay na sundalo. Marami na akong patay na pulis. We have crossed the bridge already. Kung saan ang wala bang patay? Ano yun? May soldiers? Itong kada oras ito, tamaan talaga sa Marawi ngayon. Ang kalaban, hindi naman Maranaw. Klase-klase na. And the fact, ang galit ako kasi dinala doon sa Lanao, a foreign ideology, nagpapakamatay naman yung mga Moro na kaya dyan, gamitin ninyo ulo ninyo. Why do you allow other people to come to our country and destroy us with an ideology? May sarili namang atin. Foreign yan sa inyo. Hindi inyo yan. Galing yan Middle East. And it only means, ang avowed objective ng ISIS is to kill and destroy. Period. Kaya ako, I will destroy also and kill. Period. Tapusin natin ito, inumpisahan ninyong putang ina, tapusin na natin to. Walang peace talks. If it would take me 10 years to do it, I will do it. If I'm still around. If I will do it until the end of my term, I will do it.